Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you how to send SMS from our Apex application. Here you can see the demo. I have tried to send SMS in two ways, for single user first and then bulk SMS to the multiple users at a time. Here I am trying to send a single user first. You can see that. Let's send. Yeah, message came to the mobile. I have tried two times. Yeah, two messages came here. Then try to multiple users at a time. Select three employees. Three employees are same user, same mobile used. That's why three messages came here. Yeah, let's check again. Yeah, three messages came. If we categorize our full system, we need to create 5 steps. First, choose the SMS gateway to send the SMS from our application, then create a page from our application to send the message. Here you can see the screenshot of that page, single SMS and bulk SMS. I have shown it two differently, two images. Then we need to integrate we need to register in the gateway website and capture token from here. When you registered there, you will got a token from here. This token is needed, and also API URL also you get from here. You can choose any of that gateway. Then we need to create a callback Ajax callback function to send bulk SMS. It is not for single SMS. And then we need to create a JavaScript function to execute that Ajax callback function. This is the JavaScript function to execute the Ajax callback function. So let us start for the technical session. First we need to create a blank page. Here I am going to create it, rename it to send SMS. No need to display the breadcrumb. Yeah, page created. Create a region. Let's say tab. It will be tab container, because we need to create another two regions for single SMS and bulk SMS. So change its type to template to tabs container and create a tab region. Position it should be tabs. Yeah, slot should be tab, and no need to display the header. Create two page item. One is for mobile number and another for the SMS. Create a button to send the SMS. Rename it and change some properties as you wish. If no need to change, let it alone as it is. Create another region to display the employee list. Here we are going to send multiple employees, send SMS into multiple employees at a time. That's why need to create a report, interactive report. Here is the query I have made earlier. Change the template to standard. Header should be hidden. No need to display the header. Create a button to send SMS to the multiple users at a time. Change the position and size also. No need to set a static ID of the T zone, but it is better to set create a JavaScript function to send SMS. First we need to process the bulk SMS. We need to capture the selected records value, how and which employees we would like to send SMS. That's why we need to capture that employee. It declare a array variable, and based on that class checked for this, we need to capture all checked records. We need to push the value of that selected record into the array, and it separated by comma. To display the selected value, we need to log the console. Then I'm going to implement the check all at a time. On change the check all class, and then the function should be check the all record at a time. First check the checked all button is checked or not. This will return boolean variable, and then later set the emp underscore checkbox class properties to checked as and that variable, and then update the selected records. Let's check. Yeah, select all is working, and capture that all selected values, but individual selection is not working. So now implement that individual selecting. Document on change, which document emp underscore checkbox plus then function. First update the selected record, call that function, yes, and then check the if any individual record is unselected, then unselect the check all checkbox button, because if any record is unselected, then checking all checkbox is a wrong process. That's why we need to uncheck that check all button. Making mistake, it's will be not. If not, this is checked. Later I will correct it. Now check if the all record and selected record are same, then check the check all button. It should be true. Here is the checkbox item on that query, and assign a class on that attribute, HTML attribute. Not working. Uncheck all. It's not working. Here I make a mistake. It should be not. Yeah. Now work. It should be work now. Select all, unselect all, select all. Yeah. Unselect one, and the all check is unchecked. Yes, that works fine. Now we need to create a hidden page item to store the selected records to process later that selected employees to send SMS. Now we need to create a JavaScript function to send SMS. Here I have already declared that. Sorry, here I am going to assign that selected array variable into the page item value. Here I make a mistake. It should be missing S. Now we need to register with our third-party API gateway and capture the token from here. This is very important to send SMS. We need to capture token. If we have no token, then we need to create new token from here. Now create a JavaScript function to send SMS. Here I have already written it. We need to mandatory parameter from the website, URL and token, and in the application side need two parameter. One is message and another is to where we send it to, and then call the XML HTTP request and push the message to the site. That's it. Create a dynamic action on that single SMS button sending process. Here first capture the value of the message and then call the message function to sending the message. Let's check. Enter the mobile number and text. Just a simple text message. This is a test message, please ignore it and try to send. Yeah, message came. Check the mobile. Yeah, the message came here. That means it's worked. Now process the bulk SMS. We need to create AJAX callback function to send bulk SMS. Here is the PLSQL process. Here I copied from that slide. Here we need to replace the special character. The slides single quote is not exact match with that code editor single quote. That's why we need to replace that single quotation. If you write the code as your fonts, then it will better to write it. No need to copy paste. Otherwise, you need to replace that special character attentively. The purpose of this AJAX callback function is to capture the selected employee list where we would like to send the message. Nothing else. Just mark the selected employee to send the SMS at a time. Validate it. Now we need to create a dynamic action to send the bulk SMS. Just review the function again to sending SMS. We need two parameters from outside. One is API URL and another is token. And inside the function application, we need another parameter message and mobile number to send. And then call the XML HTTP request and push the message to the gateway. That's it. If it's successfully done, then it will return the response text. That's it. Create a dynamic action on that button to send bulk SMS. True action should be execute JavaScript code, and here just capture the selected employees into an array and push the value of that hidden items into the array, and then check the array length. It should not be array length, it should be the first element of that array, if undefined or not. If not undefined, that's mean if any value contains, then send the SMS. Otherwise, display the error message. There is no employee selected to send the message type. Just execute the JavaScript function to sending SMS for looping how many employees are selected. That's mean the length of that element of that array. That's it to sending the message. Otherwise, display the error message. I'm making a little bit mistake. It should be the first element. Need to check it's undefined or not. It's null. And that's it for today. Let's check. If found helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If found helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again.